Hello everyone, welcome to InDesign Blinds. Today I'm going to show you an awning we've just installed. It's called a tension screen. As you can see, it's quite large. Got side channels on each side, and the cassette is butted up against the house that houses the fabric and the motor. It is once again somfy operation. So we want to collapse the awning. We press the up button and the awning starts retracting. There's a set of cables in the side channels that keep the tension between the base bar and the roller cassette itself. And the awning comes all the way in. I'll just follow it slowly so that you can see how nice and neat. And that's now fully open. Now we push the down button and we retract the awning, and I'll stand under it. Easier to see. You can see how much sun and glare at the moment. Now once the awning is out completely, you'll be able to see how much protection from the sun it gives.